Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Miller's Language School.
Do you like learning English? Let's learn English together.
In this video, basic English for beginners, demonstrative pronouns, practice, greeting in English.
Let's repeat a previous lesson.
This is my book here.
These are my books here.
This is my car.
Those cars in the street are very beautiful.
These flowers near me are so nice.
This pencil in my hand is green.
That pencil on my desk is red. That bird in the tree is so small. Those birds in the trees are so small.
This calculator operates well.
These are your papers.
Greeting in English.
Hello.
Good morning. Say that until noon.
Good afternoon. Say that from 12 noon to 5 p.m.
Good evening. Say so after 5 p.m.
Hi. Say that to your friends.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm okay.
How are you?
I'm all right.
How are you?
Not very well.
How are you?
So.
Simple dialogues.
Good evening, Mr. Smith.
Good evening, Mr. Braun.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine too, thank you.
Goodbye, Mr. Smith.
Goodbye, Mr. Braun.
Hello, Vanessa, how are you?
Hello, John. I'm very well, and how are you?
I'm fine, too. How is your friend Michael? Is he all right?
Yes, he is all right. Thank you. Sorry, Vanessa, it's time for me to go. Best regards to Michael. Goodbye.
Bye. See you soon.
Okay, see you again. That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, I'm wondering if you can use any of these expressions in the comments. Let me know which one of these you would like to use. Thank you so much for learning English with me. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you again for a new lesson on my YouTube channel. Bye.